Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Just sharing some of our setups today. Hewlett Packard is one of them. Look at this one. One of the top mover here. If you look at the news, what happened to this stock last 2 days here? I just want to show you the news just to show that how options players can take setups ahead of time. Look at this here. This is taken from finbase.com. So this is September 15th, and we started to see news here in late afternoon that the company, they are going to cut 30,000 jobs. So this is probably when you cut a job and you reduce your expenses, and which can generate more revenue and profits overall. And so this turned out to be, this job cut turned out to be a positive news for the company. If you look at it, it came on 15th, right? So look what happened 15th. The stock was here. If you look 15th, just I want to show you what really happened on 15th. September 2015 here. This is here we get a small move here, and this is a small move, and the news come following day. Look at it, what a jump from 27.50 to 28.50. So that's a almost a $5 move. If you consider here, that's another 2%, 1% or so, 6% move in 2 days. So if you are one of our follower or thing, look at here. We alerted it. This is on September 14th. I had 10:58 alert here. HPQ alert, breaking day high, unusual calls volume. This is when they started to accumulate calls here at this point, even right before the news and everything, because probably it has to be an insider or someone who knows the deal. Obviously, the news came here at close, and here you see a 5% automatically. This is an insider unusual call volume rule. Look at here. This is where they started. This is a premium Twitter account for our premium members, Option Expert Premium. So look at it. This is where it started to accumulate here. This is what they bought October 2nd. Even the date is so close, you could tell they are expecting a move within a month or less. So this is where it took, and then this cause has gone almost like almost for a double. All short-term calls has gone for a double on this heavy bounce. Another one wanted to cover is Twtr. Twtr have seen calls accumulation last few days. Look at here. This is where this is on this pullback on 14. In fact, we started to see unusual call volume. So this is what you want to combine with your plays, as we alert. This is where it started to see support. For me, this was the support here, around 26.80. If you look at the stock here, look at here. This builds a support zone around this volume at price here. This is where it built a support here. This was a weekday here on this day on September 14th. This was a week. This is when someone started to buy. Look at here. This is what we tell our members. It's not like randomly options volume that if you do not trade options, you do not know. If you see call volume, it's long. If you see put, it's short. Look at here. We say technically there is a support building here around on 14 days. So Twitter October 15th calls were being bought, so they were betting that the stock can hit $30 by next month because they are buying October 15 expiration, 30 strike, and this has gone up. Nice move today again. The stock is moving above 2% here, and nice action today. It did pretty well today. This one here, another of our top setup was WMB. I have been following it from here. This is when I started to see calls volume. Here on this day, I think I posted it on my public account as well. If anyone of you follow. HPQ. I believe WMB. It was on 14th as well, I believe. Just wanted to show it to you guys. So just one. This is here. You see on this is our premium to this it was posted on the public account. This is when we started to see WMB calls on September 15th. Here yesterday they were buying call volume at 1500 contract. This is an unusual call volume and we only focus on the buy side. So this is the advantage we have. We only focus that's are being bought or that's going at ask. So this was purely shoot that this was a buy. Someone was targeting 43. They were buying right deep in the month. This was October calls today. And then again, if you look at the option chains of, I just want to show a detailed, I want to show you guys just the detail here. If you look at today's options flow, this is the options chain for WMB. Look at what's happening. This is WMB options chain. This is call side. This is why what we have alerted our member around the midday. Here we are seeing these calls have gone, or most of them have gone at ask. If you look at it, the 13,000 plus calls are traded. That means someone is betting that this one will move this week. This post we have posted around midday to our members for recording purpose. This is we are on November. September 16th. So this caused more than doubled up in a matter of an hour or so. So this 13,000 or 60,000, many, all this has gone at ask. Also implied volatility. Look at it. Look at the implied volatility. It's pretty up 80% and plus. So most of them have gone at ask and then big move. Just wanted to show you on the chart here. Here, look at what happened to this. Almost a 5% move from yesterday. It's almost like a 6% move. This is another top mover for us. So in terms of the market, this is really getting interesting as the SPY is testing 200. To the big day is tomorrow. So we have to see how the whole thing plays out. I also wanted to cover another big unusual call block that we saw on few of our setups. Look at this one as well. This also it came out with HPQ as well. Himx exploding today. This is another. It's not like look at Himx is up 6%. We had it in our public account here on 3.5. You always want to catch unusual calls volume. Look at this. They played eight strike January 16th and 5,000 calls. This is another pure buy. So this is stock is exploding today. Look at it. It opened at around 10-day moving average support here and exploding. It's still, this is real-time chart. It's moving. It's still moving 5%, 7%, almost 6% move today. So this is treating us well again today. Soon too. Soon. This was, I think this was my post yesterday. Look at the date, 15th. Before open 924, not today, yesterday. Look what happened to Sune today. Sune yesterday it was here and there was a bounce here, almost 3%. Another 3% move, almost 6% move here. The stock developed support around here. We had it for in our premium chart analysis. We have it in the chat room here around 1050 it support and only a $1 move, almost 6-7% move into 3 days. So this is another beautiful one. Wanted to cover Twtr as well. Twtr, nice action. So this is a good one. I'm watching if it can break this one. So keeping close eye. Also watching SPY, how it does on on the fat day tomorrow. It's going to be pretty volatile. There will be two reaction: initial reaction and then subsequent reaction to it. So we have to keep an eye. This is why I'm focusing more on individual setups like HVQ, where you see big volume support holding, and then low risk, you know that the support holding, there is options volume backup support holding, and also market is going sideways, also up bit upside. So they are the ones that can pay you big money. So thank you. Please share.